Alright.
Sit all the way down, 100 bucks, get on 20.
Have to go parasailing. You have to hold on to it? Sick. Can you let go? What do you think?
I love it.
Oh, I had it right in the back of your head. Damn, this is a trip. Okay, I feel like this is maybe 600 feet now. Yeah. Damn. So cool.
Definitely beautiful.
This is awesome. How long do you think they'll let us stay up here?
Probably like 2 minutes.
I couldn't really think. I don't remember how long the other people were up because
That was quick.
I was just thinking about being up here. It's not that cold. I thought we were gonna freeze. It was colder on the boat.
Camp, though. I definitely appreciate the camp.
Helicopter?
Huh?
Helicopter? You think we're extended all the way?
I don't know. I have no idea.
So imagine 200 feet higher, honey. So rad.
So where's Two Harbors?
Two harbors?
Yeah. So it's around, like actually.
Way over there. Like around the whole. That's Avalon over there. Yeah. It's I think where all those boats are coming from actually. Maybe they're coming from one of the two harbors.
How far did we go last time when we took the kayak?
See where that casino thing is?
Yeah.
We went well, we got it from next to there. That's Descanso Beach.
Yeah.
And then we stopped at the little cove where those 2-night stay things are.
Oh, okay.
That was the farthest we went. Damn, this is crazy. What do you think?
Beautiful. Awesome.
That's pretty sweet.
It's awesome.
Alright.
Hey, that's a little beach right there.
Yeah, looks like it. Are they pulling us back in? I swear it feels like we're getting closer to them.
Yeah, we probably are.
I wonder if there's like a distance that they're not allowed to.
Pass or something.
Yeah, like I wonder. Oh yeah, we're definitely coming back in.
Yeah.
I wonder if they're not allowed to like get a certain distance to the island, you know?
Yeah.
That's how it would have been if it was attached to me. Maybe they're just slowing down? Because I feel like we're higher up off the water, but we're closer to the boat. I would definitely say this beats a helicopter ride, honey.
Yeah.
Oh, my feet are getting cold.
My toes are pretty numb.
We're going sideways. This is so cool. This is the part where we fall in the water, honey?
Hey, we got a good swimmer, so.
Me?
Yeah. We can't see the city from here, can we?
The city?
Like Palm Beach?
Yeah, kind of over there.
Oh, that way?
Yeah.
Why was it
You just dyed your hair blonde?
No, really. I mean, we come from, like...
Yeah, I think they slightly turn though the entire time.
Oh,
I'm not sure. I could be entirely wrong, but there's definitely no other land over there. Woo, little swing set. Imagine if we saw sharks or something like this.
Oh, I saw it. So the video I saw on, like, how, you know, it took off and landed and all that, it was two girls. Two really young girls.
Yeah?
And they saw a pod of dolphins. It was so pretty. Dolphins everywhere. And they're just like, oh my god, look! And there was just dolphins everywhere. Like, everywhere.
Oh my god, what the fuck is that? It just like shot us up all of a sudden.
Ah!
What in the world is that?
Little gust.
Sketch.
Ah, bring us back in!
You scared, honey?
Yes!
What the fuck was that though?
Wind.
What if they're messing with us down there? Hey, I want to see them shit their pants.
Yeah. No, but yeah, there was like dolphins everywhere, like on both sides.
Yeah?
Like everywhere.
While they were up in the air?
Yes.
That's pretty cool.
It was so pretty.
So like calm up here. It's like quiet and just smooth and calm.
Yeah.
This makes me want to buy a paramotor, honey.
I'm okay.
Woo! Did your ball sack suck up in you?
Yes. Bring us in.
It's because they're going so slow.
Oh really?
Yeah. Like I think when they're going faster.
Because we're about to land.
Yeah. So we're kind of just like falling down at the same time, sort of thing.
Okay.
And they're going slow, so it's not like just pushing us forward through the wind. It's kind of like
Right.
a falling leaf, kind of.
Oh, I see. Yeah. Have you been on one of those boats before?
Nuh-uh. Have you?
I've only been on like these kind of boats.
You hate that, huh?
I hate it. I don't like that.
I like looking at your reaction when we do it.
You'll see those sounds.
Her reaction, she's like... Oh, cute, honey. I feel like they're just gonna leave us right here while they go back in.
Oh God, no.
No?
Oh, well, I don't mind it, but I'm just saying, like, I don't think they will.
No? I don't think we're pulling in right now, are we?
Maybe a little bit. It took a long time for the kids to reel in.
Yeah, I did.
Like a long time. So it's like,
I want to see like...
It's very gradual.
Yeah.
Very, very
I
gradual.
want to see like some sort of animal in the water.
I want to see dolphins. They were so beautiful, I swear.
You know what I think they do? I think he slows down and then speeds up, and that's what launches us up like that. That's what you don't like. You're afraid to lean back, huh? up on a pole though. Except there's an extra strap. Yeah, usually I just have this like strap around my waist. Wrong now.
Oh.
What is it? What?
Oh, kiss.
Oh, kiss. Rad. Here we go.
So
Hopefully they don't drop us in the water. Oh yeah.
Oh my god. Woo.
Right at the end. I lost my hat.
It's alright.
Right at the end I lose my hat.
I know. It's alright.
Oh really? Alright.
Hold on to this.
Alright, we're out.